So last night it was raining. Too much water. Too much rain last night. And this caused a little bit waterfalls or running stream, whatever you call this. But this is normally you guys seen in our picture or our video where we're playing, which is no water, but today a lot of water. It was really heavy raining last night. Luckily it's not so cold enough that it will not cause us, or it did not create a snowstorm. It was not cold enough. It was actually really warm, and then just suddenly really long heavy rain. Oh look, it's so beautiful. Hey, what's that? Ay. So this is my village. So beautiful nature. And this is why I always wore a rainbow. Ready anytime to take picture or to take video and to join in. Someone's enjoying the water, playing in the water. Where's Sadi? There's the Sadi. Playing in the water flow. Huh? Yeah, that's not normal, right? Huh? This is not normal. This is supposed to be not to be here. But look at this. Huh? Yeah. And it's really warm. Today is really warm. It feels like it's already spring. Oh, I love this. Running around. Hi baby! What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? She's following me. Come here, baby, come. Come here. Let's walk here. Let's play in the water. Ah, it's deep. Come here. Let's play with Mama. Where's the baby? Come here. Budel. Budel. Ay, you like it? Budel. Ay. Come, come back. Good. Come. Come now. A little bit clean now. Come. Okay. Water all over. Little bridge underwater. Water. Mama will play also. See? So my rainboat is really good. Even it's a rainboat, I'm using them in winter as a winter boat. I just wore 2 pairs of socks and my feet stays warm. And this is from Crooks. It's really good quality. A lot of space. It doesn't look like sexy, not pretty, but who cares? I'm in the forest, I'm in the trail. No fashion, only dirt. That's only bird. Hey, that's only a bird. Leave the bird alone. That's only bird. Come. Ah. Alright, have a great day all. It started to rain. It's raining again. It's actually very nice weather. I love this kind of weather. Raining, windy, but warm. Perfect. Actually, it's really perfect weather for running today. Drop it. Alright. Alright, ready? Ready, and go! Have a great day all. Bye!